So this is take part 3. Kabalo siya nga maglisod na siya og buhat og bag-ong balay sa sulod sa usa ka semana. So kabalo siya nga means like he knows, right? He knows because he, she, it knows. Kabalo siya nga. He, she, it knows that. We have that nga acting as that dependent independent kind of clause connector. Maglisod na siya og buhat og bag-ong balay sa sulod sa usa ka semana. So he knows that he's gonna have a hard time making a new home by the middle of the week or in the middle of the week. Sulod sa usa ka semana means entering 1 week. So within 1 week, in that it kind of translates into that. Sulod sa usa ka semana, within a week or in 1 week. Ni ato si Bao sa iyang higala nga si Lolo Manu, right? So Bao went to his friend who is Lolo Manu. Lolo Manu is the name of the friend, and Lolo Manu is ang tigulang unggoy, an old monkey, like a pretty old monkey, like a old person or an elderly monkey, I guess you can say. Mangayo siya og tambag. So mangayo means like to ask for. Pangayo is the word, and we have a incepting kind of conjugation for this one. So mangayo siya og tambag, asking for advice. He asked for advice. Lolo Manu, maayong buntag. Hey, Grandpa Manu, good morning. Sangpit ni Bao. Bao called out. Bao, nibisita man lagi ka. Unsa man unta. Bao, you came again. What's up this time? Nabisita man, you visited me again. It's kind of like you visited again. What's up this time? Unsa man unta. What is it up this time? Pangutana ni Lolo Manu asked Lolo Manu. Pangutana means to ask, but it's more like you're asking because you're curious, right? You're asking with curiosity. That's pangutana. Dayon gisultihan ni Bao si Lolo Manu dayon gisultihan ni Bao si Lolo Manu sa iyang kahimtang. So immediately, or right, like following, Bao told Lolo Manu, or explained to Lolo Manu his situation. Kahimtang is situation or circumstance in this case. Sa mga nahitabo niya ug sa iyang balay. So he explained the situation about what he did and what he was doing. So mga nahitabo niya ug sa iyang balay, and what happened to his house and of his home. And this one, kun maon na bao, mas maayo nga dad-an na lang kanunay ang imong balay. And this is what Lolo Manu said. If that is the case, Bao, so if that is it, if that is your situation, Bao, it's more better that you bring always your home, right? Mas maayo nga dad-an na lang kanunay ang imong balay. It's more better if you just bring always, or if you always or you forever bring your own home. Bao then says, right, dadon akong balay? He's like, oh, bring my own home? Dad-alang siya kanunay aron dili na ka maghuna-huna. Bring it with you, or bring it, because siya is referring to the house, the he, she, or it form. So bring it, that's why. Bring it always. Aron meaning para, or meaning so that, or for the sake of. Dili na ka maghuna-huna, so that you don't have to think or worry, kind of like cloud yourself in worry and thoughts, right? Bao then replies with, sakto ka Lolo Manu, daghang salamat. You're right, Lolo Manu. Thank you so much. Sugad sa ato, kanunay na nga malipayon si Bao. Sugad sa ato means like from then on from us. It's different from saying gikan, because gikan meaning originating from a destination, like gikan from a place, right? Sukad sa is like from then on, referring to time. It's like from here on out or from then on kind of a deal. So think of it that way. Kanunay na nga malipayon si Bao. So forever now that Bao is happy. Malipayon si Bao now forever. Now and forever in a way. Kanunay na pud niyang gidala ang iyang balay. And forever he always brings his home. So he always brought his home wherever he goes, right? And then let me say this as a story so some of you can kind of get the gist and the flow of this. Sorry if I'm feeling tired, it's late. Alright, so let me read it. Kabalo siya nga maglisod na siya og buhat og bag-ong balay sa sulod sa usa ka semana. Niadto si Bao sa iyang higala nga si Lolo Manu, ang tigulang unggoy. Mangayo siya og tambag. Lolo Manu, maayong buntag, sangpit ni Bao. Bao, nibisita man lagi ka. Unsa man unta? Pangutanan ni Lolo Manu. Dayon gisultihan ni Bao si Lolo Manu ang hiyang kahimtang sa mga nahitabo niya ug sa iyang balay. Kung mao na Bao, mas maayo nga dad-a na lang kanunay ang imong balay. Dad-on akong balay? Dad-a lang siya kanunay aron dili na ka maghuna-huna. Sakto ka Lolo Manu, daghang salamat. Sukad sa ato, kanunay na nga malipayon si Bao. Kanunay na pud niyang gidala ang iyang balay. The end.